Hey Simply Bakers, I'm gonna share with you this vegan fruit cheesecake. It is so delicious and it's really easy to make. Let's begin. So you don't need very many ingredients. For the filling, you just need 6 ingredients and then the fruits that you would like to decorate on top. So in a large bowl, you're going to add the 2 packages of vegan cream cheese, next, add your sweetener of choice. I used organic cane sugar. And then you're going to take your handheld mixer and you're going to mix it until it is well combined and light and fluffy. Also guys, to get all of the recipes, head over to my blog simplybakings.com and you will find this recipe with exact measurements and tips. Okay, so what I like to do is once I'm done mixing, I like to push everything back in the center. Then I'm going to add lemon juice, some vanilla extract, salt, and I'm going to continue mixing until it is well combined. So while this is mixing, let's take a moment and I want you guys to vote in the comments below what recipe you want to see next. Do you want to see a muffin recipe, a brownie recipe, or more cookies? So once you're done mixing, go ahead and add the cream cheese mixture into your pie pan. I'm using this pre-made dairy-free graham cracker crust. It is really delicious. You can't even tell it's vegan actually. If you can't find it at the store, you can actually just make it. I will list the recipe in the description box. So make sure you take your spatula and spread it evenly, and then you're going to bake the cream cheese or this cheesecake for about 30 minutes. And then you're going to allow it to cool completely before you put it in the refrigerator, where you're going to allow it to sit there for about 3 to 4 hours, but it's best to do this overnight. So here it is. Now I'm going to decorate it. I decided to use strawberries, blueberries, and kiwi. I know you guys saw mango in the beginning. I cut it wrong, so it just didn't look nice. So I just stuck with these 3 flavored fruits, or these 3 fruits. Keep in mind, you don't have to use any fruits, you can just keep it as is, but I find that it makes the pie look so pretty. This cheesecake was delicious. It was creamy and it wasn't too sweet. The fruits actually made it sweeter, and I love that it's really simple. Just keep these ingredients in your fridge and you can whip it up in under 30 minutes, including baking time. Well, maybe like 35 minutes. Anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to vote what recipe you want to see next, and I will see you on my next upload next week. Bye guys!